What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. And for those that may have forgotten, we are still doing our free Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do to win one of these bad boys is comment down in the description, comment down in the comment section, subscribed as well as giveaway. Comment those two things as I will be checking. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then obviously I will not be giving you one of these. Drawing will be Sunday morning, so definitely stay tuned for Sunday's video here. But you have 6 different ways to increase your odds of winning, which is literally commenting on every one of my videos this past week from Monday. So Monday's video, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's video. Comment, subscribed, and giveaway, and you get that chance to win a free Amazon gift card. So, you know, I think that's pretty cool for the holidays. Make sure to do that ASAP right now down in the comment section. But diving into the technical analysis, the things that we're going to need to look at here is the constant consolidation taking place on XRP, something we kind of figured would happen here, but weirdly enough, we're kind of trending a little bit further outside than we had originally figured here, which is making me think, do we need to extend, the bull flag? There's a good chance we might actually have to, and I think we're going to talk about that in a little bit here, that maybe we didn't actually break through the descending fractal here, that the descending fractal is still happening, because it definitely shows signs that there is some sort of resistance, and it seems like we're going to have to tweak the charts to make up for that. So I think that's going to be pretty exciting. But beyond XRP, we also have to look at Ethereum, which is still consolidating, Bitcoin, which is still consolidating, and then the S&P 500, which, you guessed it, is still consolidating. I'm really starting to think there are definitely some consistencies between all four, starting to trend very similar to each other. There's definitely some sort of consolidation taking place. XRP, it looks good, 50 on the RSI. Ethereum, about 55. Bitcoin, if we jump to the daily, looks all right as well, trading at about 59 on the RSI in its ascending fractal here. The S&P is just overbought on the daily, which is a sign of consolidation, but I think we are gearing up for some pretty big movements in the very near future, so definitely stay tuned for that. But with all that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, first and foremost, yesterday's video basically talking about something that there's something much bigger forming on these cryptos than I had originally thought. That's what I wrote. There's something, this is much bigger than I thought. This could be big moves for cryptocurrency. And I agree. I think as time has gone, has passed, we've been seeing some new indicators kind of arise here. Some new things are coming out of the woodwork. Originally, we had thought this was the descending fractal. Now I'm starting to think we might have to tweak the charts to incorporate this and make an even bigger bull flag descending fractal here, because we, traded outside of here, but we didn't get the big volume surge that's needed and usually follows immediately after sort of bull flag formations here. So that makes me think that, hey, maybe we didn't actually break out of the descending fractal now just yet. Maybe there's still more time, for us to see what exactly happens here. So we do need to tweak this chart as well as these other cryptocurrencies here. But before I do, if you look at the current coin market cap, refresh reveals 1.43 trillion, trading out on 70 on the fear and greed index. I think at a peak, at a high, we were 76 a couple of days ago, maybe a week or two ago. But you can see consolidation is pretty much what's taken over most of these major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, not really seeing much movement. Same thing with Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Cardano, Solana. Not really seeing much trends across the board here. XRP has been flip-flopping with BNB because they have practically the same market cap here. One goes above the other when things start to move. So I'm not really too worried about the overall longevity of XRP, because I think very soon we'll be back above BNB. There hasn't been crazy movements within BNB compared to XRP here, but you can see this is what we need to focus on. So as you guys know, if I scale out, you'll know that we've been tracking these bull flag formations consistently on the channel here, where we have a flag pull, the flag itself, and then a breakout. And that was the first time it happened. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Here's the fourth one. And then here we are with the fifth one. This is what we've been tracking recently. And now I think we're going to have to tweak these charts ever so slightly to incorporate the movement that we're seeing, because as you can clearly tell, there is 100% a downtrend on this that we have not been able to incorporate because it was a bit too early to tell. But you can see this might not look as accurate, but if we take this down a step, boom, that changes things, and it actually aligns itself much better with the way things have been moving here. Check this out. Now we have accuracy. Now we have a nice, beautiful looking bull flag formation here. We have still lower high, lower lows. You can see sideways trend, correction, the stair-stepping pattern that's been pursuing over this consistently here. We've been trying to get what exactly is going on here. Originally, we thought, hey, did we break out of the resistance? So there is something much bigger forming here that you guys can see. I thought we maybe broke out of this here. Once we hit bottom support, I thought we trended out. It appears we didn't. We're still inside the sideways channel here. And here's where things get a bit interesting. I need to know how low we're going to be moving to, because we definitely could correct down to here, fill in the gap, then see the breakout, as blue band is typically what we use. But as you know, we've drawn this not so realistic uptrend, but you can see we've been using this a bit here. So things are definitely now a bit better in regards to how we're viewing the XRP chart here using this new corrected line here. This definitely makes sense, and this is definitely how the markets look. You can see clearly the stair-stepping pattern here across the board. So this is what this definitely makes sense. If that makes sense too. This is how I'm now perceiving the markets to be moving here. And again, very simple. If we break through the yellow resistance, then we buy in and we long it if we can confirm closure above that. Vice versa, there's also a big chance we could see a dump because we haven't broken through resistance here. So a correction to bottom support is definitely a huge possibility for XRP. This reversal, this dump down to support here, followed by filling in the gap, is definitely a huge possibility that it could happen, because the other times, for these bull flags, we've always come into contact at some point with the blue band on XRP here. So it's very possible we could see one last retest on moving average, followed by a breakout. But yet again, I had thought that we originally broke through the bull flag, and it appears we didn't break through it. We are still filling it out here, which means there's still more time to be buying in and longing, which is good, because we were on the fence about whether or not to be buying into this, thinking that we could break out, but it appears we didn't actually do it just yet. So this is awesome that it's still happening here. Obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. So literally, keep your eyes peeled on XRP, because the second we confirm closure above the yellow resistance right here, we can buy in long and leverage to the upside here, doing it on BidFi. BidFi offers XRP. Literally clicking derivatives, USDTM, then clicking XRP will get you up right here. It's literally that simple. They have an integrated trading view chart. You can see the movement that's forming just right here. On XRP's chart here, we have the stop limits, we have the take profits, we have stop losses, reduce only, market limit orders, we have the amount of leverage that we want to use. Everything is offered on BidFi, and if you sign up with that link down in the description below, you will be able to earn up to $2,888 completely free with that link down in the description below. So make sure to sign up for that ASAP. Now, moving forward from here, looking at these other cryptocurrencies, you can see not only was XRP primed for a breakout, we're seeing the same thing happen with Ethereum. Very soon, we're going to come to an end in this. We're going to be battling price ceiling and price floor. There's going to be a resistance and a support that we need to battle. Will we break through resistance and break up? We don't know. Will we be breaking through price floor and correcting to moving average? We don't know just yet. All we do know is that it is going to happen fairly soon. So that's what we have to pay attention to, is which direction. We confirm a breach above price ceiling, we can buy in and long. We breach below this yellow uptrend here, we can buy in and short down to moving average. So it does open up huge opportunities still. We just have to let it pan out. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. You can clearly see the ascending fractal forming here. And yet again, we break through this price ceiling, we can buy in and long, and vice versa. We break through this, there's a good chance we're going to fall fairly low. So you can see the patterns that are now rising here. We just need to wait for us to confirm which actual, level we break through. Will it be the top? Will it be the bottom? That's what we need to figure out. And then lastly, looking at the S&P 500, I also believe this is due for correction here. You can see we're starting to peak, very similar to the patterns that we have predicted here. And this is what we're looking for, is more of this consolidation within the current price right now. That will hopefully lower us on the moving average, because right now we've been at a peak of 72, back down to 70, but we need to go lower in order to go higher. And that's what I'm waiting for here, because this week has literally been, You know, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of flatline sideways movement. And honestly, it's good, but it needs to cool off a little bit more in order for us to head up even higher. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow's video. Peace.